Hello, I'm Snope, and today I'll be telling you how to make this plastic magnetic Minecraft toy. Super glue, magnets, first link in the description, an available printer, sticker paper, fourth link in the description, poster tack, chopsticks, and an available 3D printer. To get the 3D print ready, get this file from the second link in the description and import it into your slicing software. Next, scale the model by 500% and make sure the dimensions are like this. Now, rotate the model so that everything is flat on the ground. Finally, slice the model and export it to your desktop for later. Select the model for 3D printing, then print it. Now remove the supports. You don't have to sand the 3D print, but for better results you probably should. To get the paper ready, go to pixelpapercraft.com/prints/minecraft-character or use the third link in the description. Then you can either use the Steve or Alex skin or enter your Minecraft username. Like this. Next, press the Save as PNG button right here. Finally, open up the file. Then you can print it and make sure it's portrait. Then print. Cut along the black lines. Prepare the magnets. Make sure all the magnets are facing the same side. And you have to mark that side with any color you want. Put the super glue in the hole of the cube. Put the magnet in the hole of the cube, also known as a head. Make sure the marked side is facing up. Don't use this tool though. I'll tell you what tool to use later. Then find two rectangles which have a hole in their side like this. I call them arms. Put some glue in the holes. Then put a magnet in which has its marked side facing up. Now do the same for the other arm. Get one of the other rectangle pieces that you haven't put a magnet in. I call it a leg. Put glue in either of its two holes. Then put a magnet in which has its marked side facing up. Get another skinny rectangle you haven't put a magnet in, which is the other leg, and repeat the same process. Flip the legs over and repeat the same process. Flip the arms to their top holes and do the same thing you did with the legs. Get the large rectangle and put glue in both the holes shown on screen. Then put a magnet in with its marked side facing down. Make sure you use a chopstick with poster tack on the end to put the magnet in. Put another magnet in the other hole with its marked side facing down. Flip the large rectangle over, then put glue in the hole shown on screen. Then put a magnet in with its marked side facing down. Flip the large rectangle onto its side, then put glue in the hole shown on screen. Then put a magnet in with its marked side facing down. You probably shouldn't touch super glue with your fingers. Flip the large rectangle to its last side, and repeat what you just did. Get the cube and the sticker with the head texture. Peel the back of the sticker. Put the sticker on the head. Make sure the magnet's at the bottom of the head. Fold along the gray lines. And make sure all the little flaps are on the inside of the cube. Get the large rectangle in the body texture. Peel the back of the sticker. the sticker on the large rectangle. Make sure the side with 2 magnets is at the bottom, and make sure the flaps are on the inside of the large rectangle. Get one of the skinny rectangles with magnets on top and bottom of it, and the sticker of the leg texture. Peel the back of the sticker, and make sure the flaps are on the inside. Now do the same for the other skinny rectangle. Get the skinny rectangle with 1 magnet on top and 1 magnet on the side, and the sticker of the arm texture. Peel the back of the sticker. Put the sticker on the skinny rectangle, and keep in mind that the magnet on the side is going to connect to the body, and that the magnet on the bottom is going to be the bottom of the arm. Now do the same thing for the other skinny rectangle. Connect the head and the torso. Connect the legs to the torso. Then connect the arms. And now you have a Minecraft magnetic character.